Okay guys, hello. This is my first English tutorial and today I'll be showing you how to install Windows 98 on Vmware 16 Pro. First go on the site in the description and click here to download through Cloudflare EPF gateway. Then the RAR file will start downloading. Then just extract it and you will have the ISO here. So then you need to install VMware 16 Pro. I will not do a tutorial here, made in another video. Okay, then click on create a new virtual machine and or just click file and new virtual machine. Then I will choose typical. Now click browse and select the ISO file. Okay. All. I guess yes, all. Choose this and power on this virtual machine after creation. So it's starting. Then just wait until it starts. Okay, I try reset. Yes, and then use boot from CD-ROM and start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM. And wait until it finishes PCI bus scan. And also sorry for my English, I'm not from United Kingdom or USA. Okay, then click enter. I will choose configure unlocked disk space and don't use largest support. Then just press enter. And again choose boot from CD-ROM, start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM, and wait until it finishes scans. Then it will start formatting the drive C, then press enter. Okay, now click continue and I choose C Windows and choose typical and install the most common components. My name is Win 98. 98. Then I choose the region or the country. So I will choose Czech Republic. Then click next, and now it will start copying the files to your computer. So you just need to wait until it finishes. Okay, as you can see, it's almost finished. And click restart now. Wait, please guys. Okay. Name Dave. I'm not do I don't have any company. I accept the agreement. Then type this product key. And the product key will also be in the description. I made a mistake. And then click finish and wait until it detect plug and play devices. Okay, it's almost finished. So we just wait until it goes to 100%. And again, to start detecting the gameplay. Now, just restart now. Then time zone, I will choose the time zone, which is actually, where is it? Here. Apply. Okay. Okay, then wait until it set up some things. Okay, as you can see, it's finished. Then we just restart now. Then just wait. Just click enter. And wait until it install the software for the hardwares. And it's here. You can connect to the internet. Or the around. So that's it. You can now shut down it. And then okay. And yes, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and and if if you helped it, like and subscribe, turn on notification bell. Sorry for my English, and comment if you have some problem. I will try solve the problem in the comment. So bye bye.